Stand tall and sweep your arms up to the sky. Lift your chest gently. Your body should look bright and open, like greeting the morning sun. Stand with feet hip-width apart and roll your shoulders back. Keep your chest open. Your body should look relaxed and ready to move. Sit or stand tall and slowly arc your head from one side to the other. Keep your shoulders soft. Your neck should move in a smooth, rainbow-shaped curve. Start on hands and knees and reach one arm forward and the opposite leg back. Keep your belly pulled in. Your body should look long, steady, and balanced. Kneel and stretch your arms forward while keeping your hips high. Let your chest melt toward the floor. Your body should look long and gently stretched. Stand tall and sweep your arms from one side to the other. Keep your knees soft. Your body should look loose, light, and flowing. Step one leg forward and bend it while keeping the back leg straight. Reach arms up high. Your body should look long, strong, and lifted. Place one knee on the floor. Twist the opposite arm upward. Keep your chest open. Your body should look gently twisted and stretched. Lift both arms and gently arch the upper body back. Keep your front knees steady. Your body should look like a rising crescent moon. Lean forward with one leg lifted behind you and arms spread wide. Keep your belly strong. Your body should look like a gliding airplane. Stand tall and rise up onto your toes. Lift your arms slowly up. Your body should look tall, stretched, and balanced. Place hands on your lower back and gently arc upward. Keep your neck soft. Your body should look open and lifted. Bend one knee and rest your elbow on it while stretching the other arm overhead. Open your chest. Your body should look long and extended from foot to fingertips. Spread your legs wide and bend one knee as you sit into a side squat. Keep the other leg straight. Your body should look low, stretched, and balanced. Stand with wide feet and bend forward, touching your toes or the floor. Let your head relax. Your body should look loose and awake. Sit on your knees and reach both arms behind you. Lift your chest slightly upward. Your body should look open and refreshed. Lower onto your forearms and lift your hips high. Press through your elbows. Your body should look strong like a playful dolphin. Sit with legs crossed and twist gently to one side. Keep your spine tall. Your body should look soft and spiraled. Lie on your back and hold your feet. Keep your knees wide. Your body should look playful and relaxed. Lie on your back with arms and legs spread gently. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Your body should look open, calm, and ready for a new day.